Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm SEEBIEDEEBIE, and here on my channel I do reviews and unboxings. And today we're going to be doing a review on the Sonicare Diamondclean toothbrush. So I have had this toothbrush for about 6 years now, and I haven't had any problems with this. So I think I might know a thing or two about this toothbrush. So when you first open the package, you'll see this charging station. You'll see this nice glass cup, and of course you'll see your toothbrush. And you'll see a case. Now I don't know, I think there's different packages, but this is the travel case. And these are the most important things other than like it comes with like a USB charger as well for when you're traveling. You can plug it up to your laptop or whatever if you need it charged. But those are the main things that come with it. Now there are 4 settings on this toothbrush that you can use. You can use the clean, the white, polish, gum care, or sensitive. I always use the clean or the white depending on how I'm feeling. I usually do the clean though because I feel like that gets the plaque off my teeth the most. White is basically when I am using like a teeth whitening or something like that with it. I do the white because it gives you extra time to, after you brush all 4 quadrants of your mouth, it gives you extra time to go back around the front of your teeth and the bottom of your teeth. So I really never used the polish before or the gum care. I think, well, okay, I used the gum care like one time, but I'm not that type of person that needs gum care. And then there's a sensitive. So if you have sensitive teeth, like I had a crown put on and I would do sensitive around that because the vibration won't be as strong. So when you first get your toothbrush, if you never had a vibrating toothbrush before, it's pretty intense. It like shakes your whole, it makes your eyes just vibrate, and it's just like a weird sensation. But trust me, you'll get used to it. So how this works is basically when you press this power button, it gives you the clean, the white, the polish, the gum care, sensitive, or it turns off. So you get to go through all those little sections with just one push of the power button. And another thing, when you're brushing your teeth with this, you cannot leave your mouth open. Your mouth basically has to be closed, just like this. Like when it goes in your mouth has to be closed. Because if you open your mouth, it's going to splatter everywhere. If you do like this, it's going to splatter everywhere. So keep your mouth closed like this the entire time you're brushing your teeth. Because trust me, you don't want that stuff all over your mirror. Also with this, you might need to clean it. Mine is a little dirty because I haven't cleaned it in a while. Because again, I had this for 6 years. But I usually clean it like every time I change the replacement head. And so it just builds up like a little bit of mold and stuff like that. But it's not a big deal. I usually just take like a baby wipe or something and I clean it really good. And then put my replacement head back on here. Now I have used a lot. I put it on backwards. I have used a lot of replacement heads. And I would say that your best bet is the original replacement heads, because I feel like these generic ones that I have right now doesn't take the plaque out as much as it should. I don't know why, but I mean, I had some generic replacement heads that were great and some that just like, no way. So how you charge this toothbrush is basically very simple. You just plug this into the wall and then you put the cup on top of here like so, and that's how you charge it. I had a few times where it wouldn't charge, so you always got to make sure that there's a little battery light at the very bottom. You always want to make sure that the battery light is blinking when you charge it, because like I said, I don't know what happened, but sometimes I just put it in there and it doesn't charge. So I always have to look for that battery, that little green battery light blinking when I charge it. So how did I get my toothbrush to last for 6 years, right? Usually these lithium batteries don't last for that long. But what I have found out is that I only charge my toothbrush when it's on low battery. And when it's on low battery, it'll do this little beeping sound after it turns off, after you finish brushing your teeth. Mine's really old now, so sometimes it'll do the beeping noise, or sometimes it'll just like shut down. I can tell now when it's got full power or it doesn't have full power. It'll have this very light vibration when it's about to die, and I can tell. But again, it'll like do a little warning beeping sound, and the battery would turn, I think it turns red or orange, and you'll know when to charge it. I only charge it when the battery is beeping on low, and I do a full 24-hour charge on the toothbrush to really get the battery fully charged. And then I take it off the charger and do the whole cycle, run the toothbrush until it's dying again, and then charge it for 24 hours. So that's how I think this toothbrush has lasted me so long. Now the carrying case is very neat and very useful for me. I love traveling with this, like love it. So basically what you do is you take your toothbrush apart like this, and you just stick it right in there. And this clips your head in there like that. So it's very simple, and it closes. It's got a magnetic closure. It just closes like this, and it usually won't ever open. There is a little USB portal right here where you can plug in your USB, like I was talking about earlier, right here, and you can charge it on the go in your laptop, or it also comes with this portable charger where you just plug it in. If I can plug it in. But usually I don't bring this with me just because, you know, if I'm just going somewhere for a few days or the weekend, I know I'll charge my toothbrush up and it'll be ready to go for a few days. So I don't ever worry about bringing the charger. Now, how to use this toothbrush. So when you turn it on, it'll go for 30 seconds, and that's for your front teeth. And then it'll do this beeping noise, and then it'll do the inner part of your top teeth, or however you want to do. You can do 30 seconds here, 30 seconds there, and you know, it'll beep every 30 seconds, and you just move to different quadrants of your mouth. I wish there was like a tongue cleaning on here. Like that would be really nice. Like if it wasn't so intense vibrating on your tongue. I think it's really strange though, because like when you're brushing your teeth, there's no way for you to brush it this way, because they basically tell you to brush this way and then inside your mouth, but they don't ever tell you to brush like in the middle of your teeth. Do you guys know what I'm saying? It's so strange. But all in all, I swear this toothbrush has reduced my plaque by so much. Like, I can tell a huge difference. Sometimes when I travel, I just bring a regular toothbrush with me, and when I come back, I can feel plaque in my mouth, and I use this toothbrush and it feels completely clean again. Like I went to the dentist. Like you could definitely tell a huge difference when you get this toothbrush. If you travel for a week on vacation with the regular toothbrush and then come back, you can feel the plaque on your teeth. It's so strange. So this toothbrush has completely changed my life. If it ever like dies or anything completely, I'll definitely get another one. I would say Philips did a great job on this toothbrush. I hope that this review will give you guys a better understanding of this toothbrush and how it works, and if it's going to work for you, or if you already got it, how to use it, and the little tips and tricks on the battery usage. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.